It was cleaning day at the toy castle. Everyone had a job to do. Goblin was sure he was having to work harder than anyone else. He had to mop all the floor while Ragdoll got to put blocks away. How hard could it be to put blocks away? He had to mop all the floor while Clown could dance and prance around pretending he was dusting. How hard could it be to dust?
I'm finished. Watch it, Ragdoll.
I'm finished.
Poor Goblin. No fair! They were all done, and he still had all his floor to do, all by himself.
If I make mopping look like fun.
What you laughing at, Goblin?
Can't tell.
Why not?
You might want to do it too.
To do what? Please tell me.
Mopping is fun.
Fun? Oh, let me try. Please.
Just a little mop.
The Goblin was so pleased with his trick that he thought he'd see if it would work on Ragdoll. He'd need another mop.
What you laughing at? Can't tell you. Why not? You might want to do it too. Do what? Please tell me. Mopping is fun. Fun? Let me try. Please? Just a little. Perfect. They're doing all my work for me, and they think they're having fun.
But they really were having fun. Doing nothing when everyone else was working was no fun at all.
No, they're having all the fun. my mop. It's my mop. But it's my job to mop the floor. Ah.
That day, the Goblin learned that even work can be fun. Well, he learned it until the next cleaning day. But that's another story.
Subscribe to the Toy Castle and make sure to click on the notification bell to find out first when new videos are posted.